Hi there, digital marketers. My name is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an advanced tutorial for you. We are going to walk through the process of converting quantity parameters value from string to number with custom JavaScript by Google Tag Manager. So get started. Before starting, first we have to confirm that our website data layer is active or not. Then go to the preview options, go to Google Tag Manager container, then preview. Continue and go to our website and open the any product page. We have to increase the product quantity and add to cart. And let's back to our Google Tag Manager and check it out. Our data layer is perfectly working or not. Go to tag assistance and here we see our add to cart event is firing. Click it and go to the variables and scroll it and find out that our quantity parameters are showing perfectly or not. Here we see DLB quantity string value with invited comma with 3. So now today we have to convert quantity parameters as a string value to number value. Here you see the string value and DLB quantity is 3. If you go to our Facebook standard event manager and here see is quantity only single 2, not showing the with quotation marks 2. As well as you have to go to the TikTok. Here we also see the quantities are showing the only 4, not quotation mark with 4. Also we have to go to the Pinterest. Here also product quantity 1, not showing the quotation mark with 1. So let's back to Google Tag Manager and create a DLB quantity variables. Here see previously we have to created the DLB quantity for my other project. Now we have to delete it, the DLB quantity, and look at that how to create a DLB quantity for converting string value to number value. So delete it and create a new variable. Click the data layer variable, go back to our data layer, go to tag assistance and data layer we have to click it. See here we are finding our data layer. Here we have to pick a quantity parameters to create our targeted variables. Here is a parental topic is e-commerce. Under the parental we have to find out is child topic items. For the array we have to put the 0 and finally we have to pick items child topic is quantity. So as this series we have to create a DLB quantity parameters. So firstly we have to copy the e-commerce and go back to Google Tag Manager. In the data layer variable name section put the e-commerce dot and again same process, e-commerce child topic is items, copy it back to Google Tag Manager, paste it, dot again we have an array, so we are putting 0 dot and finally pick the quantity, copy the quantity and back to again Google Tag Manager, put the quantity. Will be provide the name DLB quantity, save it. So why we are creating the DLB quantity variable? Because we are now creating a custom JavaScript variable. Here we have to put this DLB quantity variable. So now we are creating a new custom JavaScript variable. Go to the new, click the custom JavaScript variable. Here now we create a small JavaScript code function. We are return the quantity value as a string to number. So return float parseFloat, f will be capital letter, finding the our DLB quantity parameter which we have created before. DLB quantity and putting the name this variable that is CGS custom JavaScript quantity. Save it. Now we are go to the preview options and check it out. Our CGS quantity parameters are working perfectly or not. Go to preview, continue and go to the any product page and here we increase the number 1 2 3 4 5 and add to cart and go back to the tag assistant. Under the add to cart, go to variable. Look, see our CGS quantity is working perfectly. That's not now looking a string number, that is convert value type is number. So congratulations, we have perfectly converting quantity parameters value from string to number. So thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.